Jazz Cooking Skill, and today I'm going to make homemade chicken and vegetable lasagna. So the ingredients we need is there's 2 pieces of chicken boneless breast. I cut it in small cubes. Got here 1 medium onion sliced. Got here 1 tomato chopped. We've got 2 green chilies chopped. We've got 1 red pepper sliced. We got 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We got 1 bowl of frozen vegetables. We got here 1 tablespoon of salt. We got here 3 pieces of garlic chopped. We've got the lasagna sheet. We've got mozzarella, grated cheese. We've got 470 grams of Dolmio creamy lasagna sauce. And got here 500 grams of Dolmio tomato sauce lasagna. Also we got some green olives that we're going to put in the mixture. 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and we've got 1 tablespoon of Tandoori powder. Pan on medium heat. Now I'm going to add my oil in. Now I'm going to add my onions. Now I'm adding my salt in. Now I'm adding my garlic in. Also I'm going to add in the tomato and the green chilies. And stir it about 5 minutes. And then I'm going to turn it on lower heat and leave it about 10 minutes. My onion, tomato and green chilies and garlic gone softened. And now I'm going to add the chicken boneless in. And I'm going to leave it another 10 minutes until the chicken color changes. So the chicken boneless is changed color. Now I'm going to add the chili powder and tandoori powder. I'm going to add the pepper. I'm going to add the frozen vegetables. Stir it about 5 minutes. Then I'm going to leave it just about 10 minutes for the pepper and the frozen vegetables to get a bit softened. Then I'm going to show you the rest of the ingredients. It looks like this. I'm going to add some olives in there now. Stir it again. And now I'm going to add the Dolmio tomato sauce in now. I'm going to show you the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to leave this about 5 minutes, and then now I'm going to show you how I'm going to boil the lasagna sheets, and then how I'm going to put it on medium heat. And I'm going to add 3 cups of water. And I'll wait till it bubbles up, and then I'm going to add the lasagna sheet. So I'm going to leave it about 5 minutes and make sure it's cooked on both sides, and then I'm going to take it out and turn them around. Now the lasagna sheets are cooked, so I'm going to out and I'll put it in a casserole dish. And now I'm going to put the filling on top of it. And then I'm going to show you how to do my second layer of my lasagna sheet out. And now I'm going to add some Dolmio creamy sauce on top of the lasagna sheet. Then I'm going to add my second filling layer. Then I'm going to add my third layer of the lasagna sheet. My third layer. So I'm going to use the creamy sauce again. spread it on top of the lasagna sheet. Then I'm going to add my filling in. Then I'm going to add the last lasagna sheet on top of it. Last lasagna sheets out. And now I'm just going to add once again the Dolmio creamy sauce on top. Then I'm going to drizzle some grated mozzarella cheese. The mozzarella cheese on top of it. And I'm going to bake it on the grill about 140 Celsius about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'm going to show you how it looks. Putting it in the grill and leaving it for 10 to 15 minutes. Homemade chicken and vegetable lasagna is ready to be served. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe down below and give a big thumbs up. See you next time.